Hi everyone. In this video, we discuss Python strings. Python strings are a sequence of characteristics that are used to represent text. They are one of the fundamental data types in Python and are extremely versatile. Here are some key points about Python strings. A string creation. You can create a string in Python by enclosing characteristics in either single quotes or double quotes in triple quotes. For example, here I can use a variable myString is assign operator with this is hello world is called a string and close with double quotes, right? They can analyze, it can give enclosing of characters in single quotes, double quotes, triple quotes, whatever. Okay, but I want to give in triple quotes of it getting to comments. Okay, you can get any assigned to any variable, then it's coming to taking as a string. Okay, now string indexing. Here indexing is a main crucial point in Python for data manipulation, data and creation and data updating. Okay, the string Python are zero index, which means you can access individual characteristics in strings by their position called index. For example, my string hello world. Okay, right now I want to print what I want to print. This is my string, is my string name. I'm giving here my string, right? I want to get the output of 0. What is a 0? Here I already told you in the previous before previous lectures. H1 is 0 value, E value is 1. I will explain you in next video of run this course in Visual Studio Code. Okay, I will explain in detail in this video. Now, string slicing. You can extract a substring, a portion of string, by specifying a range of indexing using slicing. Slicing is done with sequence, brackets, and column. Okay, this is called formatting of the string, and this is the string given, the string variable. I want to print the string with respect of slicing. Using slice, I want to get the output from 0 to 5. Hello is getting. I will explain you in the next video running of all codes in Visual Studio Code. Now string length. Here you can find the length of the string using length operator function, right? Now this is the variable, it's a string. This is the length of variable name. This is the function I am using, length of my string, giving this variable name. Okay, length of my string, the print of length, I'll get the value of total words. Okay, I will explain you in the next video. Please go through it. This is morely brief introduction about strings in Python. The string concatenation. Concatenation means adding a combining of those two strings using plus operator like this. Next one, string repetition. How to string is repetition. String repetition is called multiple times using the into operator, right? This is called as a repetition of string in Python code. Here this is called syntax of repetition of Python. Okay, I will explain you in the next video. Now string methods. Python provides a wide range of built-in string methods to manipulate and working with strings. Some common methods include split, strip, replace, lower, upper, find, and count, and more. The string formatting. You can format strings using methods like string interpolation of string Python dot format. This method old style percentage of formatting. String formatting is so many types of this. There is old format and present we are using percentage of formatting. This is called name, and you're giving one of the string. Here is I am giving one integer formatted string. Here f I giving the string. Okay, and I also giving in a formatting structure the name. What is name? Elias, and age is 32. I'm giving in this format like this. Now print formulated string. I want to get the output. My name is Alice and I am age 30. Okay, I'll get the output like this. This is called string formatting. Now escaping of sequences. What is escaping of the sequences? The Python supports escape sequences like slash and for new line, and type a slash t for tab, double slash for a illiteral black slash. Okay, others. Here my string, this is a slash and the new line, or you want to enter into next line. This is called as escaping of sequence. This is a syntax for escaping of this sequence. Okay, Now, Unicode strings. Python 3 uses Unicode for strings, which means it can handle characteristics from various languages and symbols tests. They're immutable. Strings in Python are immutable, which means you cannot change strings in an existing string. Instead, you create a new string. The string operators. You can perform various operations on strings, such as check if a substring exists, check if checking starts and with particular substring or more built-in measures like in, starts with, ends with, like the strings operations you can use. Python strings is handling capabilities make it powerful for text manipulations and processing. Understand how to work strings in essential for many programming tasks. The next video we will briefly explain these Python formattings on string repetitions and string concatenation and string length and string slicing and string indexing and also string creation. Okay, this is of this video. Thank you. In this video, we will discuss Python strings. I want to run all the Python strings in this video. Actually, I want to create a file Python strings.env in it. I want to copy paste all the codes we have discussed in ChatGPT. Now, the first one is my string. I want to create a string. Here, I want to create my string variable. I want to give another hello world is the first copy. I want to copy this and I want to give the variable name and run it. I'll get the value hello world. I want to change this to Narayana and the okay. This is his name. Now I want to run it. This is string. Okay. Now I want to run it. Get the value right. This is called as creating of string. Now we want to go to the second one. Here's slicing. How you're using slicing? I want to run this one. I want to get the value h. Right here. I actually the previous videos I already told the first value is 0, h value is 0, e value is 1, L value is 2, L value is 3, O value is 4. Right now, I want to get change value here. What I have to print my string of 0. So I want to get the value of h. We want to take 1 on it. I want to get the value of e. Right. If we want to get value of I want to O. What is the value of O? The O value is h value is 0, e value is 1, L value is 2, L value is 3, O value is 4. I want to get 4. I got the output is O. Yes, I get the output O, right? Now I want to get the output of W. Then what is the output I want to give? Here O is 4, 5, 6, 7. I want to put 7 if it is okay or not. Yes, because every space is also one data will be stored in its memory. Okay. Now I want to give one value for I want to get the value of L. Like I want to give 3 before L. Okay. This is called as slicing. You want to get the words like this. Now I want to get the value of D. When old is W is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I want to give 11. I want to get the value of D. So this is called slicing. You get the values. To if you want to get the different specific number of digit, you get by using slicing you can get out. Okay. I want to give 0 for respect to a given code. Okay. Now you understand slicing. Now this is called as slicing, but you want to get specific one sentences. Like is also coming to slicing, but you want to get one string. This is before that we are getting only one letter, right? If you want to get one word, so much difference between letter and word. Okay. Now I want to get one word. How do you getting by using starting and beginning? Now what is the starting? 0, right? H. And what is the beginning? 5, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Before that, so I want to. So if I want to give 0 is to 4, I get HEL, not hello. Okay, because I want to give 5, 0 to 5, then I get the hello. You want to I want to give 11 up to old W, not D is not get it. If we want to give 12, the slicing word, I want to get hello world. If we want to give 7, Up to this, I want to give hello. Does not get W also. You want to give 8, 0 to 8. I will get the hello, comma W. The whole sentence I want to get 0 to something. You want get any whole sentence, what the given the variable. Okay. This is called as slicing of words of length. Okay. If I want to give 5, I want to get hello. Okay. Now you understand this slicing very much. Now this is called length. Here I want to give run it. I'll get out 13 because it's having the this length is 13. Okay. Now I want to get change this to my name. Right. Now I type in my name. What is the length of it? 15. Now I want to change my name. Right. I want to run it. It is also 15. Right. Now I want to change to its string. Right. What is the value? It's here 5. This is called this syntax is for to get the output of what, to get the output of length of the specific string. Okay, to get output of specific length of the string. We want to get length of the string in case. Okay, I want to give number. What's that? Oh, okay. I want to give columns, double column. Sorry. Here I want to run it. Here 12 letters in this word. Okay, I want to change this here. This is called find out the length of the given string. Okay, the next one. Here the first string and second string. Hello is the first string, second is string. This is concatenation, adding up two strings. Here hello is hello world. Here the output will be, what is you get output? Hello world is both are added. The string 1 plus string 2. If I want to change the names, right? Lakshmi, okay, and Narayana, right? Okay, I want to give small letters, right? Here I want to give quotations. Right now, code is okay. The code is ready for you. String 1 Lakshmi, string 2 Narayana. I want to concatenate both this. I mean do both adding of both this. Now I want to run it. Lakshmi Narayana both are added, right? If you want to give some space in between this Narayana, it gives some space between you want to give. Okay, this is called as a concatenation of the two strings. Now repetition in strings. Here, what is here? The my string, I take a Python. Okay, right? I take Python. Repeated string into my string. What is Python into 3 times? Here, that output of Python, Python, Python. We want to get, I want to give Narayana on it. I want to get 3 times. If you want to give here 9, Narayana, 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 Narayana. Like this, you want to get 1 of 5 times, 6 times. You want to get like this. Okay. If you want to change 8 times, here I want to give Narayana into some value like 3, enter 8. It gets Narayana, Sri, Narayana, Sri, Narayana, Sri. Like this. Here, you want to multiply this. Here, Narayana is one time. Sri Narayana, Sri Narayana, Sri Narayana, Sri Narayana. How it is my string is having both 1, 2, right? Narayana, Sri Narayana. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 8. They are separated because when my string, the string first, this letter will be added, Narayana will be added. Like this, there are 7 strings that will be happened. The last string will be separatedly added to the this one. This is called repetition of the strings. Okay. I want to change its past one. So Python, run it. I want to give run in 3 times. Export given, run it. Yeah, this is called output of the repetition of the Python. Now this is aliasing. Here aliasing is nothing but, here not aliasing, it's file formatting. Here string formatting. The string formatting is nothing but Here is output. Here my name here giving suppose I to write my name, like otherwise I want to write my, okay. The age is 10,000 years. Okay. Now string and age here is a formatting of string. How do you have formatting? Here this f is nothing but formatting. In this string, I want to mention my name is Sri and I am age of 1,000 years old. I want to print like this. So I want printing like this. And on the print of formatted string, what is the variable I am given here? Now run it. Yes. My name is, I call the formatting string Sri and age 10,000 years old. Okay. This is called as string. This is called all string operations, like a string and strings, creating of string and string formatting and string. It's called multiplications or string and powering, and also string concatenations, and here string finding of length, string slicing to get our words, string slicing to get the what do you call letters. All these are coming under strings. Python strings is very useful for string manipulations and web developments also. This is of this video. Thank you. Hi viewers, in this video we will discuss Python strings advantages. It is used for a wide variety of applications due to their versatility. Here are some common uses of Python strings. For text processing, strings are used extensively for processing and manipulating of textual data and user input and output. Here, strings are used for interacting with the users through input and output. And use input to get the user input as strings and display messages to users as string the print. The file handling. Here also the writing files and text data in typically represented and manipulated as a string, and data parsing and string concatenation and string formatting by using the f string the dot format and regular expression, database operations, web development. In web development, strings are used for generating HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code dynamically. They are also used to handle URLs and query parameters and API requests and responses. When interacting with web APIs, the strings are used to send requests and receive responses, which are often in JSON or XML format. A text-based games and applications and error handling, data serialization, and logging. A logging is nothing but strings are used in logging messages, that information applications recording events and errors. And also text analyzations and natural language processing are accordingly for artificial intelligence and security and localization and international localization means the strings can be used to manage different languages and cultural settings in application, allowing for easy translations and adaptation. Here, this is a few examples of how Python strings are used across various domains and applications. Their flexibility and built-in methods make them a fundamental data type for working with text and character data in Python. This is of this video. Thank you. Hi everyone. In this video, we discuss some interview questions on Python strings related to Python strings that might be encountered during Python programming interview. What is the difference between single, double, triple quote strings in Python? Answer: single quote strings like this way, and double quote strings like this symbol, and triple quote strings like these symbols. And triple quotes are using single quotes and double quotes are used to define strings in Python. The key difference is that triple quote strings are often used for multi-line strings or doc strings. Single line and double quotes are interchangeable for defining strings, but you must use same type of to start and a string. This is the main fundamental of string in single double quotes. Okay. Now second question. How do you reverse a string in Python? Here, yes, you can reverse string in Python using slicing with a negative step. For example, here this is my variable string. Here's hello world. Now reverse the string. This I want to give any name here, but I want to give for according quotient. I want to give the reverse string variable. Because here I have to give my string. This given string is to taken here. Here using double column -1. This is called as negative slicing. Using the slicing the negative step. Okay. This is called the reversing of a string in Python. Now, explain what is an immutable string means in Python. In Python, strings are immutable, which means once a string is created, its contents cannot be changed. You can create a new string by modifying or concatenating existing strings, but you can't change the characteristics of an existing string directly. What is string interpolation and how it is done by Python? Your fourth question says string interpolation is a process of embedding expressions of variables within a string to create a formatted string. In Python, you can use f strings, formatted string literals for string interpolation. For example, the name is equal to Elias, or I have to take the name is. The formatted string is nothing but this is called interpolation, means I want to call this name and age in the printed statement. Here I want to call the formatted string. In the formatted string I want to call the name Elias. Also I want to call the age 30. Here I want to formatting of string in the A literals of using the interpolation. This is called interpolation in the formatting of strings. F means formatting of the string. This is called one of the string. The string I want to literally listing of the names. Okay. Now, how do you check this question? How do you check if a string contains a specific substring in Python? If this is called, you can use in keyword to check if a substring exists in the string. An example. Okay. This is called my string. Here, this is the string is variable. If bold in my string, here what are you using? If what do you want to find? Substring in anything. Here bold is one string, substring. If bold in where my string is variable name is my string. So print substring found. Okay, this is called as a one kind of question asking by interviewers. Sixth question. Explain the purpose of escape sequence in Python strings. Give you an example of an escape sequence. Yes. Escape sequence in Python strings are used to represent special characteristics or control codes. For example, I slash n represents a new line character, right? And slash t represents a tab character, right? Escape sequence are useful for formatting and including characters that can't be typed directly in a string. That's right. This is why you are using escaping in Python. What is the difference between str string and representation function in Python? Here, str function is used to obtain informal or user-friendly string representation of object, while the representation function is used to obtain the formal or unambiguous string representation of an object. In many cases, str is used for displaying purposes. Represent is used for debugging and developer-oriented output. Okay, this is the main difference between str and rep function using insert. These questions are very useful for your string handling functions, mainly just for interview questions or for demonstrating your understanding of your string manipulation handling capabilities. This is of this video. Thank you.